Well, hello, everybody. Welcome into a wonderful Friday. We are looking at a down day in the market. Look at this. The E-mini's down almost 1%, and the NQ down 1.28%. By the way, real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got B with us today, Brad, DB, Grant. We got Hal. We got Skip. We got Pascal. We got Robert. And we got VO with us today. So welcome, y'all. So look at this. The NQ down 1.29%. And the VIX popped up a little bit from yesterday, 16.41, AD negative 233. And yeah, it's kind of down. And so our account's going to be down today because of our friend TQQQ. But let's see what we can see here. Wow, look at this. The E-minis, we thought we were going to go to the 6132 line, but instead, look where we went. We went to the 6047, which is our 80% line. Isn't that cool? How it kind of looks like it's a little bit of support there. Now, it doesn't mean that before the day's over, we can't go farther down, but it's interesting how our little line is working right now as a little bit of support right there. Let's see what the NQ looks like. NQ looks like, okay, going down to the point of control. So there's no, let's see, where were we on the point of control on the E-minis? Yeah, we're not at the point of control. But at the NQ, we are at the point of control, which is really kind of interesting. Okay, but we knew that once you get overbought, you should come back down into the fair value zone. So let's look and see if I can find our little linear regression, see if we can figure out what's going on here. Okay, so still this little area of consolidation, right? It doesn't look like a wedge really at all, but I don't know, maybe I could draw a little triangle right there before we get ready for our next move, which I believe is going to be to the upside, but we don't know. This doesn't look right. What is that? If we're down, well, I guess we are down from where we were yesterday. That's what it is. Yeah. Even though that's a green candle. Oh, just an indecisive candle is what it looks like. And I also like to look at volume. You can see on this up move here that volume kind of stayed down. Then we had a big red, and we got a big red, and I don't know. It's just hanging out a little bit. I think it's probably scared to death of Trump and what may come out next. I heard today that Trump tweeted that what was it? He was doing an executive order on the paper straws that we can't use paper straws anymore. Thank God. If you've ever been to Ted's Montana Grill, they've got the paper straws and they are gross. They feel nasty against your lips. So I am all for plastic straws. Bring them on, bring them on, bring them on. Oh, look at this, y'all. I've been looking at the financial news and I kind of like financial juice to do that. And if y'all have noticed, that we've got a new news feed inside our Discord. Look at this. If you ever want to keep up with the financial juice stuff, look at this. We've got it running, the financial juice running within our little thing here. So that's a cool little thing that we're offering. So you'll kind of, if you want to keep up with the news, you can keep up with here. The latest news will be posts down at the bottom. The U.S. approves a possible $6.75 billion foreign military sale to Israel. So if you were doing defense stocks or something, that's probably a good thing for them. So if you want to follow along, it'll give you updates on the economic news of the day, which I thought was kind of cool. All right, so y'all check that out. So let's say our little account's doing. I'm scared to look. Okay, not bad. A couple accounts are doing really good today, but our main account that we trade here is down $965. We know why, because we're in TQQQ. Now you notice I have scalped a little bit today. I'm up $13.50, baby. How does Daddy do it? So let's look at our positions. And this would probably be a great day for a 1-1-1 trade. If anybody wants to bring the 1-1-1 back, today would be a good day because the E minis are down almost 1%. So why don't we do that? But let's look at our positions first. Bill up on the day, TQQQ down on the day. We've got three of these perfectly paid for. Put debit spreads. Let's look at our TQQQ. So look at this, y'all. Now we may be down 1,000 something on the day, 951, but look, our covered calls are doing really good, and we're still a long way away from our little short put here at 73. So our two little calls are doing really good today. So that's why I like having those calls on. You know, it gives you a little bit of a buffer for these days when the stock is down. So let's see if we can do a 1-1-1 in the MES. So let's see if we can remember how we did this. So I think we went, let me take this safety and put it back on because we know the trades will just go in without anything. So let's go trades. Let's go to table. We're on the MES here. So I think what we did is we went out about 150 days or so and we bought a put debit spread for $10, but we did it 100 wide. So let's try to do 100 wide put debit spread. So let's see if we can remember how to do this. We'll buy the 5,900. We'll sell the 5,800. That's at $19. So we'll move our strikes down so we can get about $10 for this thing. Uh-oh, went too far. There we go. 985. Good Lord. Look at the difference in the price on these things. Can we get filled? 72 natural, 48 credit, 985 debit. Let's see if we can even get filled here. Okay. It's been a while since we've had one of those. So let's see. Let's do this. Let's change this. They need to fix this so that we can do our little working order. So let's see if we can bump that up a little bit. 10 and a quarter. We don't want to overpay for it. But let's see if we can get filled by 1050. If not, we may go to another expiration because these are wacky prices. Yeah, let's cancel that. Let's see. Let's cancel this. All right. So, boom. So let's go out. Let's see what we could do. Let's go trade here. Let's see if this has got a better thing. Got a 161. I guess we could go to that 132. We've already got positions there. Let's go to this 161 and let's do a 6,000, 5,900. Let's move it down to its $10. 14. Look at these. These are much tighter prices here. Okay, there's 10 and a quarter. Let's see if we can get filled there. 5,500, 5,400. Oh, come on. Give me a break. Let's go. They're still wide, aren't they? Let's go another one. We got some wonky stuff here. Come on, give me a feel. There we go. So we're in on that for what was it, 1050 or so? Let's see what it was. Let's see, field at 1075. All right, so what we'd like to do then is to sell us one probably around, we went out 161 days on this one. So let's go and sell us something maybe, 75 days or so out. Probably this 82 days would be nice. About half of what 161, that's about a half, 164, right? If we were to double that. So let's go out and let's sell something for $25. And that will perfectly pay for that put debit spread, right? So we've got 24.75 right here. Oh, boy, they're changing quickly. Here we go, 5,300. So let's see if we could sell this for 24.75, around $25. That will allow us. Okay, good. That one felt easy. So this will allow us to perfectly pay for the put debit spread. So let's go right click. Uh-oh. close at profit 50%. And that would be 1225. Sounds good to me. And make sure that it's a GTC order. And boom, baby. There we go. Good. So we got a GTC order there. And let's now go look at our positions and our cap requirement. We are making the 111 great again. I like it. 27. Okay, let's update all of this. So yeah, putting that put in. Oh, that's not bad at all, is it? We were like 25,000 yesterday. So today we're at 21,000. Let's see, TQQ down at 60. Yeah, we got a hedge in. We got a really hedge in. Okay, good. I like it a lot. All right, so y'all have a good weekend. That's it. We're making the 111 great again, and glad to put one of those on. We're still perfectly hedged to the downside. Nothing can hurt us. So we're going to go into a small Muscadine Mafia session, and we may look at a little scalping for the rest of the day, just see if we can get into something. So that'll be nice. All right, y'all have a good one. I will see y'all Monday.